Hey everyone, in today's video I have a quick tutorial on how to repair the chain or replace the chain on a Portland Harbor Freight electric pole saw. So you're going to start by grabbing an Allen wrench and undo the bolt on the green part on the side of the saw. And you'll just turn that until it comes off. Once that's loose, the housing will be able to be removed, and you'll see there was a lot of debris and junk inside of mine, so I took some time to just quickly clean that up and clean it out to ensure the saw is able to operate effectively. Once you have that cleaned up, you're going to put the bar that actually holds the chain back in place, and you'll see it will sit on this little silver pin, and that's what holds it there. And then from there, you're going to get your chain and put it around the bar. Now you could either use the same chain or replace the chain, it doesn't really matter. And you'll basically just slide this around the edge of it, and the teeth will actually fit in place on the bar. So it'll fit pretty nicely on there, and you can see how I did that here. And then you'll just loop that back part around the part that actually forces it to spin, and it should sit on there nicely, and then you can just slide it down on the pin. So once you have that all in place, you're going to grab your cover and put it back on there, and then start tightening that bolt again that holds it all in place. But just to note, you're not going to want to tighten it quite all the way. You're going to want to leave it a little bit loose so you can adjust the set screw on the side and make sure the chain tension is correct. So here on the side, this black screw, that's the set screw that adjusts the chain tension. And so you can see my chain was a little bit too loose here. You don't want to crank it all the way where it's completely tight. You want to have a little bit loose in there, but you also don't want it to be able to just fly off. So here I'm just tightening that down until I get the proper tension on my chain. So I continue to adjust my tension, and you can see here there's a little bit of play in it, but it's not too loose. So I think this is going to be good to go. And next you're just going to grab that Allen wrench and tighten down the bolt on the side all the way till it's nice and tight, and your chain should be all set. And the only last step that I recommend is double check the oil using the little indicator on the side, and you can fill that using the cap on top. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel.